What's going on, guys? I'm over here with Jacquelyn Coon. We're about to do another makeup. We're sitting in my truck right now. We're actually about to do another makeup on
Jason Nash.
Another makeup on Jason Nash. It's gonna be a weird one this time. And here are the prosthetics. Weird. Stay tuned.
Okay, hold on. So Jason has a surprise for you. Here, open your eyes.
Oh, Jesus Christ! No! What am I looking at? What is this?
I wanted to try.
I'm so uncomfortable near you right now. Oh, okay. Jesus, no, wait, what happened?
You got him surgically. I'm kidding, no.
Oh
it's just
my
makeup.
God.
Isn't that nuts?
I'm so uncomfortable. I know it's makeup. I'm still uncomfortable. Like,
Yeah.
I mean...
Show him the nipples.
Jesus said that.
Yeah, it's upsetting.
It's really well done.
How long did it take you to...
3 hours.
I cannot tell you how uncomfortable I am with this whole thing.
Touch him.
Okay.
touch. We finished the makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed the process and some of the behind the scenes. We had a lot of fun doing it. Just gotta thank Jacquelyn Coon for doing most of the work, and thank Jason Nash for sitting very patiently and being really cool in some boobs. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.